Good evening, guys. Thanks for joining me again, and it's Monday morning, just gone, sort of 10 past midnight on the 13th, and after Friday's amazing Aurora experience around my local area of Frinton and Walton in Essex, we've had another red alert this evening, so I've dashed out up towards the Naze where the old fishing trawler wreck is, and that's been photographed many times, but it's a cool wreck and it's nice to photograph. Yeah, so I've shot up here in the hope of seeing the Northern Lights again. I haven't really set up a composition as yet, but I will do once we start getting some action, but hopefully we will. If not, I'll still post this video because Friday night was amazing and I've got lots of compositions that I'd like to share with you. So even if I don't see anything tonight, yeah, you'll see what I got on Friday, and hopefully you enjoy the video and certainly enjoy the photography, and yeah, consider subscribing and giving me a thumbs up, which is always great, and have a chat if you fancy it. That would be lovely to interact with you guys. But yeah, hopefully, as we've had a red alert, we'll get some Northern Lights display this evening. I've got my Nikon Z7 II here, and I've got the Sigma 24mm f1.4 art lens, and I'm bouncing about between sort of f2 and f5.6, 1600 ISO to 3200 ISO, and anywhere between sort of 6 and 10 seconds. Got the moon out to my left. It's just a quarter moon, so not very bright, but a little bit of highlight, and manually focused on the wreck mast, and that's far enough away to give me depth of field on the stars anyway, even at f2, because it's almost at infinity. So now it's just a waiting game and hoping that the Northern Lights show up. It is fairly clear, although there is quite a high cloud layer, but it's only very, very, very thin and broken up. So yeah, fingers crossed. But Friday night, what an experience. You guys would have seen all over the news the amazing photography that came from around the world, and I'm happy to say that I'm able to contribute my photography to that as well. So yeah, as I say, enjoy the video, and I did do a poem, so if you can tolerate that, have a read, it's in the description.